It is December, and these are the seeds that I am going to be putting in the ground. Okay, let's talk about asparagus. Now, this is not a quick crop, but it is the most rewarding long-term investment you can make in your garden, especially in my zone, and I'm in zone 8. December is like an excellent time to begin asparagus. I'm starting in pots, but if you can start in the soil, if it's workable, you can start it in the soil. You're not going to have a harvest the first year with spears, but you will get your ferns, and that's going to start your strong, productive bed for 15 to 20 years. I've been growing them for about 10 years now, and here's an image of them when I first started my first year, and they were all ferns, and I was doing it in pots. So this is the way to build a strong root system for, long-term asparagus, okay? Now, let's talk about the health benefits of asparagus. They are beyond healthy. They are a nutrient-dense, low-calorie vegetable packed vitamins K, C, A, folate, antioxidants. It improves your digestion. What else? Excellent in the fiber department. Your heart, your bones. It's anti-inflammatory, supports your immune, keeps you from being bloated. So all in all, asparagus is an excellent green to grow.
Okay, so one asparagus set, I think I put maybe 4 or 5, maybe 6 seeds in each one. One I'm going to put the plastic over and put under the lights, and one I'm going to leave it open and leave it in the greenhouse. Pretty warm out here, but I want to see which grows the best. So that is my asparagus growing in December. I'll keep you guys updated. I wish you love and light. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video, which is beets.